Miele's coffee machine with the innovative cup sensor. Whether it's a tall latte macchiato glass, a cappuccino or coffee cup, or a dainty espresso cup, the Miele cup sensor is able to detect the rim and maneuver the central spout automatically into the correct position. This prevents spluttering, avoids any unnecessary drop in temperature, and ensures a perfect Kramer. And manual adjustment of the spout is a thing of the past. A small motor drives a spindle which raises and lowers the spout unit. The cup sensor consists of a contact plate which touches the rim of a cup or glass and then raises the spout unit slightly, ensuring an ideal gap between spout and cup or glass. And it doesn't end there. When dispensing latte macchiato or other beverages involving milk, the spout rises by about 1 centimetre once milk delivery is complete. This prevents the spout from being soiled by milk when the espresso finally enters the cup or glass. A perfect drink. Miele's coffee machine with the innovative cup sensor. Miele AromaticSystem Fresh. For every cup of freshly ground coffee brewed in a dynamic brewing chamber. Coffee made in a fully automatic coffee machine has never been so fresh and aromatic. The heart of AromaticSystem Fresh is the slanted grinder. The slanted position allows the freshly ground powder to drop directly into the brew unit. An impeller removes powder residue from the grinder, ensuring that each cup of coffee is prepared with only freshly ground beans. The brew unit with its dynamic brewing chamber expands as water enters, mixing the coffee and water thoroughly and releasing aroma and flavour. After brewing, the volume of the chamber is reduced and the coffee is dispensed into the cup. Miele AromaticSystem Fresh. Coffee made in a fully automatic coffee machine has never been so fresh and aromatic. The tablets take several months to fully dissolve. During each descaling cycle, the surface of the tablets dissolves slightly as fresh water enters the cartridge. A float switch monitors the level of descaling solution. Given its greater density, the fluid sinks to the bottom of the cartridge. This ensures that the concentration of the solution is always constant. The descaling agent in the cartridge lasts for approximately 1 year.